Hello everyone, welcome to day 20 of our CapCut editing tutorial. I know you are enjoying this tutorial. If you are enjoying this tutorial, let me know in the comment section. You can see that we are in day 20. Day 20 is not a small journey and we have been doing it together. Let me know what you have learned on this channel so far, and don't forget to be putting everything in practice. And today, as you can see on the screen, I want to teach us today how to use, maybe you want to do voice notes, the one that we did in day 19, and then you don't know what to say, you don't want to say it on your head, you want to write it down and you want to be reading it on the screen, and you want to use CapCut as a teleprompter. That is what I want to teach us today. So if you are ready, let's get started. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So as you can see, we are in my phone. We want to do what the first thing you should do is go to your notes. If you are using iPhone, go to your notes. If you are using Android, go to wherever you can type your screen. Okay, too, like me in my notes, I already typed what I wanted to talk about. Okay, you can see I have everything here in this place. Okay, so what are we going to do in this situation? So this is what I have. Okay, you can see it is easy. Just make sure you have it like this. What am I going to do? You are going to screenshot it. You know, once you screenshot it, it will save to your phone gallery. That is first thing to do. Then the next thing is you will now go to your CapCut as usual. Okay, so once you have imported your video in your CapCut, you can see it here. What you are going to do is you go back again and go and add, you click on this overlay here, you tap on overlay and you bring in that screenshot, that photo that you screenshot, you bring it here. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it on top here. You have to expand it. You have to make sure that the overlay is long enough for you, so that it will, you don't need to be stressing yourself. Make it longer. I'll just make it longer, like 2 minutes, like that, to see whether it will work. So you go to audio. Okay, once you have make sure that the picture you put is long, so you come to the audio. When you get to the audio, you now go to your record. Okay, once you're in your record, what you do is, because it's just a voice over on your video. Okay, so you tap on this record. So once it's loading, it'll allow you to load and start reading. Hey creator, want to edit like a pro and make your content stand out? I've got something special for you. A 30 days free editing tutorial series. In this series, I will guide you step by step through everything. So I will stop it there because I want to bring it up again. So I will stop it. I will hit this check mark again. Then I'll go back to my overlay. I will drag it up to where I want it to start from. So I've seen where I want it to start from. This is where I want it to start from. Then I will go back again. You go back again. You tap on audio again. Then you go back to your recording again. Okay. When you go back to your record, you go back to your recording again. You tap on record. It's basic code to get started. Smooth transition for that professional touch. Advanced effects to wow your audience. Then inside tips for tools and CapCut and InShot. It doesn't matter if you are new to editing or looking to upgrade your skills. This series is for you. And the best part is it is completely free, but only for the next 30 days. Then you stop again. Okay, we go and drag it up again the same way we are doing it. You tap on it. I want to drag it up more again. So you can see I'm dragging the remaining one. Then I tap back. I go back to my audio. I go back to my recording. Then you tap on your record again. So it's to be easy. Start again. So don't miss your chance. Hit the subscribe button right now. Turn on your notification and start your journey to mastering video editing. Let's transform your video and take your content into the next level. I will see you in the first tutorial. Then you stop it. As you can see, you read it out to yourself. So what you are going to do is you go like this back. Since our video was very shorter than our shorter than our voice, then what you do is you duplicate more of that video. You duplicate it more, okay? You duplicate it. Where is the duplication? You continue duplicating it until it fits your audio. Since it's the same, see, it's more now, so I can cut it here now because it's more than what I want. So I tap it, I'll split it. All this duplicating and everything, I've already taught us how to do it. So what you are now, after you have done all the duplication and everything, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to tap on your overlay and do what? And delete it. Simple. It's not hard at all. So the fear of I cannot speak to camera is no more there again. Use your voice. Even if you cannot put it on your head, type it, write it down, and then you can use it. And then you can now, let's play it now and hear it. I started reading. Hey creator, want to edit like a pro and make your content stand out? I've got something special for you. A 30 days free editing tutorial series. In this series, I will guide you step by step through everything. So you can see it is easy. What you will just do is listen to it, then you will now start editing it. You tap on it like this, then you start listening to it and you start cutting the one that is not is maybe you repeated it, you make mistake, you stop, you do I've taught us how to do cutting and streaming. It's the same thing with audio and video. It's not different, they are the same. Okay, so you just start doing your cutting and trimming, then everything will be perfect together. You can see how simple, easy dumpy to do all this. So we have come to the end of tutorial today. Okay, my name is Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny. I will see you in my next video. Bye.